Hey y'all, it's the Benjamin Bunch and we're back with another adventure. We are headed to Niagara Falls, Canada for our annual summer trip. What's up, you guys?
See the coffee room, moonlight they paint the endless canvas there. But they soar so high, we feel white they blind. Feel breeze so light, wish I could take.
And we made it. We flew into a small airport in Niagara Falls, New York, but we will be driving over to the Canadian side to stay during our trip. Hey guys, so we have made it here to Niagara Falls, New York. I did not vlog this morning getting ready or the ride here because it was complete chaos. I really thought that we were about to miss our flight again, like Mexico part 2. But anyway, that's another story for another day. We made it. We're now waiting on our rental car so we can go ahead and get through customs, go through the border, and make it into Canada. Because like I said, we're in Niagara Falls, New York, but we are staying on the Canadian side. So we do need our passports for that. We have all that. We just, waiting on the rental car at this point. Brian is doing all of that right now. You guys want to say hi?
Hi guys, I'm playing a game. It's a card game.
Elias is playing a game on my iPad to pass time.
Woo!
I think they're wrapping everything up now. Probably just getting a car seat for Elias. It looks like is that an infant car seat? It looks like a baby car seat, Elias.
I'm not a baby.
I know you're not a baby, but you probably can fit it. I don't know.
No, I can't.
But anyways, it's better than
I'm
nothing.
literally like kind of a big fat bird.
Anyway, whatever. So we have the car seat. We are headed to the rental. It's a very quiet airport. I think only this airline flies into it. So kind of quiet, small. Now we have to go find our car. So we are going to the lot now. One of those cars, I guess, we'll be driving. But y'all, the weather out here is perfect. Like, it's like, I think 80 degrees, right at 80 degrees. The wind is blowing. I don't even think I'm gonna break a sweat. And I usually sweat really easily. I mean, it might be TMI, but you know, yeah.
just gonna press the up button.
We made it, guys. We made it. We made it.
It says help.
No thanks to you.
Help.
But we made it.
Have the earpiece. Like when you look. Like you have the earpiece when you look.
Going in the room, moving everything for the lady. You ever seen it?
This is what Daddy just did. He did it. This is Mommy. No, this is me and Mommy. This is Daddy and Mommy, and we have this phone couch. Eli, you're sleeping right there? No, I'm sleeping on this fancy bed. You're not. Eli, she's gonna sleep in this tiny bed.
Alright, so we're in the room and I am unpacking. Y'all unpack when y'all go to hotels, or do you just kind of like live out of your suitcase or your bags or whatever? Me personally, I like to unpack my stuff so I can see everything. What's up?
I have like so much money. I have
Eli just wants to show y'all that he has money, y'all. Oh, go put it up before you lose it. So yeah, our room is over here. The kids will be sleeping on the pull-out, but they do have a some drawers out here, so I'm gonna put their clothes out here. And my clothes are in the room. Brian, he lives out of his suitcase. He doesn't unpack his stuff, so more power to him. This is what I like to do.
Nadia, she's gonna have to see right now. This yet.
Here's your snacks, Elias. Safe snacks.
I'm hungry. Good timing, I'm hungry.
Well, we're not eating these right now. We're gonna go get something to eat, but just sit these in the kitchen. We do have a little kitchenette. Has a little stove, I think a 2-burner stove, a refrigerator, sink,
Mommy, let's
some utensils, little pots, pans. If you wanna, you know, do some cooking yourself while you're on vacation. I don't want to. Say what, boo? Huh? Yeah, I see. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Unpacking kid stuff. Brian's around there on the phone with his mom, chopping it up. I gotta get, you know, I'm the family manager, so my ear needs to pop from the plane. That's so annoying. I cannot take it. But yeah, so this little bag he has to carry around his EpiPen and got Buterol, Benadryl, just in case. You can never be too sure about stuff. I ask a lot of questions when we go out to eat, as far as like allergies and stuff like that, but you know, you can never be too sure, so I make sure I have everything on deck at all times. Thankfully, we have not had to use an EpiPen yet. I'm knock on wood. I hope this is real wood. I'm not sure, but yeah, let's keep it that way. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just going ahead and unpacking. We all did book bags because who's paying for luggage? Not us, okay? You can get 3 days worth of outfits and toiletries and everything in your bag. So everybody had a book bag, 4 book bags, and I'm unloading those now. So I'll hop back on here in a little while once we figure out what we're going to eat for our first night in Canada. All right, my shirt says travel more, worry less. Let me tell you how worried I was today. This is my little travel shirt. So I don't even know why I wore this because I was very much worried today because we almost missed our flight. Yeah. It was about to be Mexico 2.0 all over again. I don't know what it is with me and my family and why we can't get it together. But yeah, we was about to miss that flight again today. And I had to put the pedal to the metal. 4 hours straight. No music. No music. I didn't want to hear nothing. Drove 4 hours straight from the Charlotte area to Myrtle Beach to catch our flight. And we got there like maybe 30 minutes. With 30 minutes to spare or whatever. But yeah, we made it. But worried I was, trust. Somebody's finally back 5 hours later with the food. Said you had to wait on hot chicken. Did you get hot sauce?
Yeah.
What is this, a biscuit?
This is cool.
Okay, so by now you're probably thinking, y'all went all the way to Canada just to have Church's chicken. But this is my family's first time actually having Church's chicken, and it was very close by, had a good rating, and it was quick and easy, so we made it do what it do. We'll go ahead and eat because I'm hungry and I'm ready to lay it down. I am so tired. All right, so that's pretty much it for day one. I'm enjoying this gorgeous sunset. Make sure you follow us to see what our trip has in store. Bye, y'all.